YouTube, today I'm going to show you 5 basic shape command of AutoCAD. First command is line tool, which we can make by pressing the shortcut of L, then enter. You can make any line like this. If I want line like in this direction, if I want my line of like 3 meter, then press 3000 mm, then enter. This is my 3 meter line or 3000 mm line, you can see. So second command is circle command. So for making circle you have to press C, enter. C is enter is the command of circle in AutoCAD. You can press C, enter, and also press any radius, like I am pressing the radius of 1000 mm, then enter. So this is my 1000 mm radius circle. You can see. After line and circle I am making rectangle. So for rectangle, REC, enter. This is the shortcut command of rectangle. This is also the shortcut command of square if you want to make a rectangle. So for rectangle, just press any dimension, like I am making 2000 mm into 3000 mm rectangle. So for this, type 2000, then comma, then 3000, and then enter. This is my 2000 mm into 3000 mm. This is my rectangle. Next shape is square. So for making square, we have to press REC, enter. This is the same command, and I am just giving the same dimension of both side, like I just want my square of 2000 mm, comma 2000 mm. So yeah, this is my square, you can see. Okay, so my last and fifth tool is ellipse. You can make any ellipse from here. You can say, for example, this is my center ellipse. I am making a center, and then you can also press the dimension, or you can make ellipse like this. You can choose axis end ellipse, so I am just making an axis, then end. And if you want this, I just want a 4000 of end. So this is my ellipse. So yeah, thank you for watching. For more videos like this of any tutorial like Photoshop or AutoCAD, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can make more useful video for you guys. Thank you very much.